What's up guys, my name is John. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing as it does go a long way. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to separate your Audi headlight. You might want to do this for a couple of reasons. 1, you need to replace your old foggy or scratched lens. 2, you need to reach a part within the headlight to replace it. Or 3, you might just want to paint the inside of your headlight. Either way, this video will get you started. Also, I want to let you guys know I put Amazon links in the description below for replacement lenses and compatible bulbs for your headlights. Okay, let's get started.
The first thing you want to do is remove this rubber piece. Next, you want to remove these 5 tabs. In order to do this, you will need a flathead screwdriver. Simply pop off the tabs and set them aside. I like to take a microfiber cloth and place it underneath my headlight. This helps reduce friction as well as protects the headlight while rotating it. We can now begin applying heat. If you don't have a heat gun, no worries, a hairdryer will do just fine. It took about 7 minutes of persuading with my heat gun before the lens would separate. If you're just here to replace your lens, you are almost finished. Before installing the new lens, you'll have to swap over the chrome bit from the old lens. To do this, you will need to remove 3 T8 bolts. Once removed, reinstalling it on the new lens is pretty straightforward. For those of you looking to paint your headlight, just set that part aside. Your next step, as well as anyone looking to repair any broken parts within their headlight, is to remove these 3 T20 bolts. Once removed, you should just be able to pop it off, but be careful as there will be wires still attached. You've successfully separated your Audi headlight. If you found this video at all useful, please smash that like button. As always, I will see you in the next video.